Chicken breasts are delicious, healthy, and often not cooked or prepared properly. But today on Lone Star Grills, we're going to show you a method to get incredibly juicy results time and time again. So if you're ready for this one, go ahead and hit that like button, and let's go. The most important step to this recipe is the dry salt brine. So once you have your chicken unpackaged and trimmed to your liking, get it onto a tray with warming rack. Then use some coarse kosher salt to cover the chicken on all surfaces, all sides. The formula for coarse kosher salt is about 1/2 teaspoon per pound. This dry brine will produce a tender, juicy, and savory result through and through. Once you have it fully coated, put it in the refrigerator uncovered overnight. And just 24 hours later, you can see the chicken has taken on a much deeper, darker, and rich color. This means the salt brine was fully absorbed. To prepare it for the cook, just coat each of these generously with olive oil, and then we're going to hit these up with a salt-free homemade rub, which is just equal parts of black pepper, paprika, onion powder, and garlic powder. And you can be as generous as you want because there's no salt in this rub. All the salt was put in through the salt brine. With these ready to go, it's time to head outside and prepare El Fuego Trio for today's cook. Our Lone Star Grillz El Fuego Trio is big, bold, and beautiful. Its name stands for a triple fire grill because you can cook with wood, pellets, and charcoal. Today, we'll be using the pellet side. Start by preheating to 275 degrees Fahrenheit. Once fully preheated, get the chicken on the pellet side, close the lid, and begin cooking. This cook will take approximately 35 to 45 minutes. You can flip these about halfway through the cook, and be sure to monitor temperatures with an insta-read thermometer because we don't want to overcook these. Since chicken breasts do vary in size and thickness, you'll want to watch them closely and be sure to remove each one as it hits a temperature of 158 to 160 degrees Fahrenheit in the deepest, coolest part of the center. Rest them in foil for about 10 minutes. Then you can slice these up and serve. Just take a look at these results. They're smoky, tender, juicy, and flavorful. We hope you'll give this recipe a try, and we appreciate you watching today. Don't forget to like, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel. And if you've got questions on any of our products at any time, just give us a call or check out our links below. We'll see you on the next one.